since the Philippine delegation has like over 100 members, we are now going to have a little bit of an interview of the founding president of the Miata Club Philippines and a couple of other members. The local Japanese TV media are going to interview them, so we're just going to check it out how it's going to go. Okay.
Just one car.
So many people, yes. You know, we're very proud that the Miata Club Philippines is here today to join you in the celebration. What attracted us with the car, I think it is worldwide. Good design, good performance, reasonably priced, and it is now 30 years that all of us are still enjoying this MX-5 Miata. So for the Philippine Miata Club Philippines, we are 102 members here today representing our club from the Philippines. That's how excited we are, and that's why we're here celebrating with you this very important occasion. Thank you.
So there you heard it. That was the interview of the founding president of the Miata Club Philippines, Ed Salonga, and we have Joey Almeida and Ramon Villacorte as well, who were interviewed by the local Japanese media, and they're really, well, I guess they're really amazed when they saw that the Philippine delegation for this event is over 100 people, all wearing 30th anniversary orange shirts like this. Okay, now we're heading off to our bus. But we're not leaving it. We're going inside the Miyoshi proving grounds itself, the track itself. And since we're a big delegation, we're over 100, we've got a special bus. We don't have to fall in line for to go on the track, so we have a special bus, and it's now our batch. It's like 3 buses for us, yeah. And you can see I have a very handsome doppelganger right beside me. This is Edrich, my friend.
Nice to be on your show again.
Yeah, if you remember, we have a video of its white NA that we featured before. If you haven't watched it, you could watch it here. Alright, so that Edric owns that white NA. So we're now going to the bus. We're going to go on the track. Miyoshi Proving Ground track. Let's do this. So as a special treat, we are now here on the proving ground itself. This is highly confidential place. You see the bank of the road? You see that? Wow, look at the bank, the way it banks. Wow, you could just you could just drive your car at top speed without hitting the brakes. I'm actually going up the bank. Wow, I couldn't, oh my goodness. Woo, this is so high. And it's so steep. Yeah. Anyway, so they said that the trees around the proving ground is there to prevent people from taking photos and videos of this highly confidential, top secret facility, the Miyoshi Proving Ground. But right now, we have this nice treat. We are here. I'm gonna give you some more B-rolls of this, guys. Okay, right now we're here at the main track of Miyoshi Proving Ground, and I have at my back lines, rows and rows of Miatas. It's believed to have around 2,000 Miatas right here on site, and they're going to do a parade later this afternoon here in Miyoshi Proving Grounds. It's going to be pretty much like a world record, maybe 2,000. I don't know if that's a world record, but that's a lot of Miatas that's going to go on a parade here at Miyoshi. So we got here, yeah, a long line of Miatas over there, see? And this is just one part, because we've got another in that area over there, we got another one, and in that area over there we got some more over there. So yeah, this is just one segment of the entire 2,000 Miatas that's coming in. Somebody's feeling a little bit inspired right now. This is an awesome build. Look at that. It says it's a supercharged ND, and I would believe it. It looks like it's on a wide body kit as well, and it's really low to the ground. You can see. I love how he has that black and red thing going. Wow, I am inspired right now. Looks like it's a look that I want Scarlett to have someday in the future. And I love how the front fenders are wide body, but you notice it's not like the type that you just cut a fender and you just tack on a wide body kit. No, in this case I believe the whole thing has been changed. Wow. Right, we're gonna see the inside, we're gonna see the engine. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, look at that. Got a Night Sports front strut brace. You got a turbo right there.
Supercharger.
Oh, it's a supercharger. It's an HKS GT2 supercharger. Yeah. HKS.
HKS. Nice battery.
Nice. Lightweight battery.
1.5? 1500 engine?
1.25.
1 point.
Sequential LED turn signals. All right. This car has been fully kitted out. Looks like no screw has been left unturned. It's got a supercharger.
Supercharged.
Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah, sequential. Yes. Sequential. Wow. Wow. And there we have it. We have the parade has begun here at Miyoshi Proving Grounds. We got 2,000 MX-5 Miatas passing by behind me right now. You'll see they're quite good. They're quite evenly spaced. That's okay. And it looks like there's not really that much cars, but there are still a lot of Miatas that haven't even started to make the run. Look at that. All kinds, from the NA to the NB to the NC to the ND and to the RF. It's crazy. What an experience. Check it out. Look. Woo. Look at all them Miatas. Clean and nice Miatas. All the MX-5s. What an experience, and this happens only once every 10 years. The last time this was done was 10 years ago. And now we're here, we're experiencing this right now. Woo! Yeah, look at that pink. Look at that pink Miata. Wow, that's so nice. Look. Yeah. Let's do another angle. There you go. We got another angle right here. Yeah. That's a lot of MX-5 Miatas right there. Woo. Makes me miss my Scarlet. All right. Wow. What an experience. What an experience.